Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel if you're new. Today I'm showing you how to make this easy honey garlic chicken and potatoes. This recipe is so good and very easy to make. Everything is made in one pan. It's one of my hassle-free dinner recipes I make for my family. You guys will love it. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so for this recipe, we're using 3 medium-sized bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs and 2 chicken legs. We're going to start by seasoning the chicken with 1 teaspoon of dried oregano and salt and pepper to taste. Drizzle half a tablespoon of olive oil all over your chicken, then toss everything together. Make sure the seasoning gets on both sides of your chicken. Once the chicken is very well seasoned, I like to let it sit on the counter for about 10 minutes. That way it can soak in the seasonings. And while that is happening, I'm going to start prepping the rest of my ingredients. I'm gonna go ahead and dice 1 medium-sized onion. The cooking moves pretty fast, so make sure you have all your ingredients prepped up. I've also gone ahead and cut up 4 large gold potatoes. Make sure you cut the potatoes into little cubes like this. That way they can cook together very well with the chicken. I also minced 4 cloves of garlic, a handful of fresh parsley, and some baby carrots. Make sure you slice or cut up your carrots, otherwise they will not cook properly. Alright, we're going to start cooking. I have my pan heating up over medium-high heat. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Allow the butter to get melted. I lowered my heat a little bit so it's just under medium-high. I'm going to toss all my seasoned chicken into the pan. We're going to let the chicken cook for 3 minutes on one side. Then we're going to turn them over and let them cook for another 3 minutes on the other side. We're looking for a nice golden brown sear, just like this. This is going to add so much flavor to the recipe. Keep in mind that the chicken isn't fully cooked yet, but once you've achieved the golden brown color, go ahead and take them out of the pan and set them aside for later. Next, we're going to cook the vegetables. We're going to start by cooking just the onion. Go ahead and toss that into your pan. Then we're going to cook it on medium heat for about 2 minutes. Once the onion has cooked, we're going to add the potatoes and the carrots. Go ahead and season with some salt to taste. Then we're going to partially cook these for about 8 minutes. We just want them to get a little soft. Also, while the veggies are cooking, make sure you only stir every 2 minutes. That way the bottom can brown up to incorporate flavor each time you stir. After the veggies have cooked for 8 minutes and they've softened a little, we're going to add the minced garlic and parsley. Stir everything together and cook for about 2 minutes. And while this is cooking, we're going to put together the honey sauce. In a separate pan over medium heat, go ahead and pour half a cup of honey, 1/3 of a cup of sweet chili sauce, and try not to make a mess, okay? We're also adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. We're going to whisk everything together, then cook the sauce for 2 or 3 minutes until it bubbles up and thickens a little. While the sauce is cooking, go ahead and add the seared chicken to the pan. Settle them in between the veggies like that. Once you've added the chicken to the veggies, you're going to pour the sauce all over them. Next, you're going to preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then bake this for 40 to 45 minutes. And this is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. The aroma is so good. Make sure the potatoes are very well cooked through, and also check the chicken for internal temperature of 165 to 175 Fahrenheit. Look at all the sauce you get to enjoy the chicken and potatoes with. I'm going to garnish this with some fresh parsley, then it's time to serve. The chicken came out so juicy and very tender. It pairs so well with the honey garlic sauce and the veggies. You guys have to try this recipe. If you want all the ingredients and measurements, check the description box. I have everything there.